Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to log out of Instagram. Write whether my solution helped you. If you have any questions, please write in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. But to do this we need to go to Instagram. Then open your profile. Click on the three bars. Settings and Privacy. Meta Account Center, and we click Password and Security. Click here. Select your Instagram profile. And now here we have our devices that we've ever wanted to this account from. And as you can see, I only have one device. It's an iPhone 11 Pro. We can go in and see what time I logged in, when I logged in, what date I logged in. If you have any other devices, you'll have them right here at the bottom. They're all written down. And you just have to click on the device you want to log out from and click Log Out at the bottom. So you can log out of Instagram on any device. You'll see them right there at the bottom. Let me know if my solution worked for you. Did you manage to do this? And if you have any questions, please write in the comments and I'll be sure to read and answer. Thank you for watching. Like, comment. Goodbye.